Happy day students. Today we discuss the general format of two composition topics which are diary entry and the descriptive paragraph, and here we go. So firstly we started it with the diary entry. So whenever you get a question regarding diary entry you should follow the following format. So this is the format for the diary. So diary entry is writing the diary about the day-to-day happenings. So we are sharing the emotions and our feelings with the diary. Think that the diary is a person and we will be sharing the happenings. And the format of diary entry is to the top on the page near the margin. You'll be writing the date and day. Followed by that, you will be addressing the diary. Dear diary, hi diary, my buddy diary, hello diary. And then you will be giving a comma and then you will be writing the content of the diary. At last, you should mention your name. So it depends on the question asked. So on the questions, it can be also a situational questions where your name will be already given and a specific date or day will be given. So you should modify the diary entry format and dates and name based on the question. So you have to read the question properly and then you have to finalize the answer. So this is all about diary entry. The next topic what we saw is all about the descriptive paragraph, and here we go. So descriptive paragraph writing is a simple concept where we are going to write a paragraph. It is the set of sentences which form a paragraph, and you have to observe the question very well and you have to involve all the required points given in the question. So it can be they will be giving an image and they will be asking to write a paragraph, or else they might also give some points and they will also you ask you to write a paragraph. So whenever you write a paragraph, give your own title to score the good marks, and also start the paragraph by leaving a single finger gap on the from the margin. So these are the points to remember on descriptive paragraph. Based on this, we will get a home fun, guys. Stay tuned and bye.